Hi, I'm Ryan. Today we're going to discuss formulas inside of Google Sheets. Now, if this is a subject that intimidates you, don't worry, you're not alone. So what we're going to do is start from the very beginning and then work step by step, and hopefully you'll feel a bit more confident using these. So let's get started. Here we have a simple family budget. Got our month, list of items, categories, and then finally the cost for each item. Now from that data, we want 4 pieces of information. We would like the average expense. We want that here. Most expensive thing here. Least expensive thing here. And then finally the total of all the expenses here. Now we can do these calculations by ourselves, but using a formula though allows us to have that done automatically. Let's begin here. Average expense. We want this cell, C15, to be a formula that gives us the average of this information. Now, to begin, we need to double-click the cell, and we need to tell the spreadsheet that this is going to be a formula. We do that by typing the equals symbol. Now, Google is very smart, and it's going to automatically assume that we want the sum of all that information. Well, we don't want that right yet. So let's just hit the X. Now we've told it that it's going to be a formula, but now we need to tell the formula what it's supposed to do. We need to give it a function, and that's what they're called, function. Specifically, we want it to give us the average of a few points of data. Okay, so now we need to pick those points of data. So we open up a parentheses, left parentheses. Now we need to pick our cells. So we want to start here at C5, 1500. We're going to click that cell and notice that it turns an orange. So that shows that we are picking that cell to be a part of our formula. We've clicked the top of the data that we want, but now we need to get the rest of the data. We can hold down the Shift button in this case and then click the bottom. So notice it says C5 colon C13. So essentially that means C5 through C13. We want the average of that data. So now to close that parentheses, right parentheses, and then we press enter. And here we go. We have the average expense for these costs is $336. So now let's add another piece of information. Let's say if we right click here and then insert one row above, let's say that we forgot something. How about we subscribe to Peacock and we forgot. It's entertainment, let's say $12. Now that average automatically updated and we didn't have to do anything because we had the function set up for this section of data. Awesome. Now, one little thing. Currently, it's set to show the information in the middle of the cell. If we want to change that so it looks like everything else, we can go up here to Align and then Left Align. So now it's similar to what we've got throughout the rest of the spreadsheet. Okay, so that's our average. Remember, and if we click on the cell, we can see the function right up here in this function row. Remember, it was equal sign, we gave it a function, average, and then we defined which cells we wanted to pull the data from. C5, and we originally put C13, but it automatically updated to C14 since we added something in there. And there we go. We have our average. Let's go to the next one. Most expensive. Now it's very similar. We double click, equal sign. So for this one, the most expensive, we want the function max. Now Google is very, very helpful because what it will do is when you type out a function, it will list items that it could be, but it starts to get a little complicated. So let's just keep it simple by focusing on max. We need to again specify which cells that this information is going to come from. So we open up a parentheses. We can click them again, hold down Shift, click the bottom, and then type right parentheses, and then enter. And just like that, we have our most expensive item, which is $1,500. Good job. So now let's see what the least expensive item is. Let's double click this cell. Again, equals sign. But this time, let's do min, M-I-N, or minimum. Gives us the minimal value. Again, we need to define the cells we're pulling the information from. C5, hold down Shift, C14, close parentheses. We have our least expensive one, which was Peacock for $12. So now we have reached the final one, the total. Open parentheses, we see Google helping us out. The sum, C5:C14. Now this is what Google was trying to get us to do this whole time, to give us the sum of C5 to C14. And that's what we want in this case. So we can type that out, or we can just hit the tab button, and you see it says tab right there, and it automatically does it for us. And now we have the total expense for the month of January is $3,037. In just a short time, we've gotten the average, the most expensive, the least expensive, and then finally the total expense. But let's do one more thing. Let's say that we wanted to get the total of all of our utilities. Total utilities. And then we wanted that here. Now, what we've done throughout our spreadsheet is we've gotten information from C5 to C14. We've used all of those cells. But sometimes we want information from specific cells. So in this case, we want electricity, water bill, internet, and then finally cell phones. We want all of that information. How do we do that? Let's set up a formula and figure that out. So first of all, let's format total utilities so it looks similar. We can go up here to Paint Format. And there we go. That looks similar. Okay. So let's double click the cell. Equals sign. We're getting the sum. Open parentheses. Okay. So now we need to pick specific cells to get the sum from. All right, so let's pick one. We can go for electricity, which is C7. Okay, so now in the past, we would hold down the Shift button and then click other cells, but we need to do it a little differently this time. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the plus symbol to our formula. C7 plus, now we want our water bill. Click that one. Okay. Notice that it's turned purple. This is purple. Okay. Another plus sign. What's the other utility? Internet. C9. Notice that it's turned green, and it's green. And then our final utility is cell phone. So now, hit our plus symbol one last time, and click C12. Notice that the color's changed. If we close parentheses, press enter, it now gives us, and we can format it so it looks similar, now gives us the total utilities cost, which was $460. So that's how we can pull specific cells out and get the total cost, or following the same principles as we did earlier, the average, the most expensive, the least expensive, we can pull specific cells out by just adding a plus sign instead of a colon. And just like that, you've gotten your start using formulas inside of Google Sheets. Of course, there are way more functions. There's way more uses for these that get more and more helpful. But for now, it's a good place to start. Thank you for joining me today. Look forward to seeing you in future videos. My name is Ryan, I'm your tech guide, and I'll see you on the trail.